As I turn off the camera.
Oh. I don't think she'd buy it. No.
It's not. Okay, here we go. We got it.
He's getting ready.
Just thinking it wasn't organic enough.
Go get him. Get him.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Olive.
Go get him.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. I don't think this is organic. Well, here we go. Yeah. Go get it. Get it. Tag. Go get it. Go get it all. There we go. He got her.
All right, Aunt. Back off. I think she's going for it.
Tag.
Get it all. Worried about it now.
He goes at her when Anthony does.
Provoke Anthony. Yeah, there you go. How about you start attacking it with your mouth and maybe she'll take heat. Get it! The destructor! Get it! Oh!
Try to get it again. Get the chair out of the way.
Uh-oh. Look what's crawling up my pants.
Oh my god!
I better not show that on film. Ah. There she goes. Come on, Star. Go ahead and get it. Get it while it's not looking. Come on. See, not so tough now. Huh? Oh man.
Where are you putting it, sweetheart?
Quit making me laugh.
Ollie, you're such a ruffian.
Are you gonna get it this time? Are you gonna get it this time, Olive? Look at the determination in her face. Olive. Get it. Get it. Don't worry, it's not gonna get you. You have control over this situation, Olive. Are you gonna?
Okay, cool.
It's not to get a better vantage point.
Good girl, Ollie. Good girl.
Kill all.
Yeah, it was over there.
It's not over there anymore. Get it. Yeah, I got you a little bit. On the right point of attack.
I'll go attack it. We know it. Maybe you can come and get it.
There she goes. There she goes. I think she wants it bad now. Get it. Just take it up. Ah! There you go. Did it get you? Get it. Get it while it's on its back. Come on. Get it.
Why do you have to bring it over here?
There's a piece of plastic flew off now.
Uh-oh. Destroyer. Uh-oh. Okay.